Why are you coming here? What is your demands?
We are coming from Tamil Nadu Paatali Makkal Katchi PMK on behalf of our founder and president Dr. Iya. We are demonstration in Delhi Jantar Mandir. We want justice. The election commission condemn from the party. We condemn our party. Election commission support to Dr. Ramadas. This is not justice. We are condemn election commission. The election commission don't commit democratic assassination. Don't let the election commission steal the political party. We condemn the treacherous of the election commission. Election commission don't support Dr. Anbumani. Election commission don't act in collusion with Dr. Anbumani, taking away the party PMK. Dr. Iya is like taking away his life. We condemn the election commission for abetting Dr. Anbumani's fraud. Dr. Anbumani and election commission is collusion.
Sir, your allegation Dr. Ambumani Ramdas hijacked original PMK party.
No. Original party PMK leader is our founder and president Dr. Iya. He is the founder and president. He is the senior leader. He is working up to 46 years. His name is very well in Tamil Nadu and all over India. He is the senior leader in our country. Thank you.
வசந்தி அவர்களே, இன்னும் இங்க வருகின்ற மாவட்ட செயலாளர்கள் பெயர் சொல்ல தப்பான செய்தி. மாவட்ட செயலாளர்கள் உள்ளிட்ட அனைத்து அணி பொறுப்பாளர்கள் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து 500க்கும் மேற்பட்டவர்கள் தமிழ்நாட்டிலிருந்து